Hi guys, in this video you are going to learn how to turn on your Whirlpool dishwasher. So first of all you need to make sure that your dishwasher is receiving the power. You can also take a look at the lights on this control panel, or you can check whether the kitchen breaker is turned on. If the dishwasher shows you no lights at all, you can try resetting the breaker or unplugging the unit for a minute if accessible. Now, after doing so, you just have to simply place all of your dishes inside the blocking spray arms. Avoid overloading the rack because the blocked spray arms can affect the cleaning performance later. Also, make sure that the towel items are not stopping the door from closing fully. Now, after doing so, you just have to open the detergent dispenser on the inside of the door, and then you just have to simply add the correct detergent for the dishwasher. Do not use the regular dish soap because it creates excessive foam and then it can cause the draining problems. After doing so, you just have to simply close the dishwasher door firmly until it clicks. Then you just have to simply locate the power button. So you just have to simply press and hold the start or the power button, and on some of the Whirlpool models the control only activates fully after the door is completely latched. Now you need to choose any of these cycles, so it can be normal, dry, quick wash or eco mode. The selected cycle light should illuminate on the panel. Afterwards you just have to simply press the start button once. On many Whirlpool dishwashers you may need to close the door within a few seconds after pressing the start button, or cycle will not begin. So you should hear the water entering the dishwasher shortly after this startup. So you can try this and see if that works for you. Thank you.